This arrived in the post yesterday. Sorry about the background noise. I've got the dishwasher on. I forgot, I shouldn't have put it on before I'm videoing. This arrived in the post yesterday. It's a COVID antibody test kit. Because I've been doing the Zoe symptom study app for about 18 months now, filling in with lack of symptoms most of the time. They've actually sent me the option to get one. So it's a blood test kit. I've had to have yesterday 6 to 8 glasses of water during the day yesterday, which was quite hard going, and then another couple of glasses half an hour before I actually do the test. And there's a follow along video to watch from the NHS, which I've watched a couple of times now. So I just want to get the stuff out and see what there is. So these are the lancets. Okay, that's what I've got to fill. Ideally up to the 600, which is at the top, but 400 apparently is enough. And there's a little hole, like in the COVID lateral flow test kits, that you can put it into there. What's that? Cleansing wipe. Oh, what's the difference between that? Oh, I might have to watch the video again. Plasters. There's the bags to send it back in. I've got a piece of tissue to wipe my fingers. That's the form to fill in. That's the bag that it goes in with the absorbent flannel thing. So that goes into the little hole. I have to take the cap off, but I have to fill it up to the 600 mark with blood. I've got to do some exercises to get the blood pumping, so the video says. So I'm just going to pop outside for a quick jog, I think. Okay, I've done that, and so I've got to put my hand into hot water for 2 minutes. Just going to do that. So anyway, my hand is nice and warm. I'll use this finger. This one I've taken my ring off to make it a bit easier. And I'm going to wipe it with the alcohol wipe. And I've got to take the tip out of the lancet as well. Okay, so I have to take this out of here. Right, here goes. Oh, blimey. Right, I've got to wipe away the first drop. Oh, I didn't need to wipe that away. And then I've got to drip it into the tube. Oh God. Well, it's coming out quite well actually. How much do I need? Oh, that might be too much actually. How much have I got? Oh, I've got way too much. That was much easier than I thought. Right, plaster's on. Let's tidy up. So that's ready to go. I've got to put it into, oh no, I've got to put a label on it and then stick it into the bag along with the lancets. Very nearly forgot to stick this bit onto the actual sample. Put the sample in there, and then there's the used one and the unused and the other unused. And then I've got to stick this over. Right, everything including the return form is back in the box. So I've got to close this up, this box that it came in, and stick it into the envelope and bung it in the post. This is the priority post box. Saturday, no, Monday to Friday, 6:15. So I bung it in here, and it should be on its way to Gloucester. A couple of days, 3 to 7 days, should find out whether I've had COVID before or not.